Hello students, in this video we will discuss about product of vectors. Product of vectors. As we know that we can apply the mathematical operations in the scalar quantities like plus, minus, into, division. And the same way we can multiply the given two vectors quantity. Here type of product is given two types. First is scalar product or dot product. Dot, this is read as dot product of two vectors, and second is vector product or cross product. Cross denoted by like this, cross product of two vectors. Now in this video we will discuss about scalar product or dot product of two vectors. What is the scalar product? Let first is scalar product or dot product. If A and B are two vectors and multiplication of both, that means product of both vectors is a scalar quantity, then we know that this is the scalar product. That means if A and B are two vectors and if its product is scalar quantity, then it will be scalar product. And it is denoted by vector A dot vector B. This is read as vector A dot vector B, and this will be equal to A magnitude of B into cos of theta, where theta is the angle between both vectors. Or we can write this simple A into B cos of theta. Simple A and simple B denote the magnitude of A and magnitude of B. That means we can write A dot B equal to magnitude A magnitude B cos theta, or A dot B equal to AB cos theta. This is a formula of the scalar product. Since theta is the angle between both vectors, then here arises two type of conditions. First condition is if vector A parallel to vector B. If vector A parallel to vector B, then what will be happen? Then angle between both vectors theta will be 0 degree. Therefore, A dot B equal to AB cos of 0, and as you know that cos of 0 is 1, so this will be A dot B equal to AB or magnitude A magnitude B. Since this condition gives us a result, if two vectors are parallel, then A dot B equal to magnitude A magnitude B, or vice versa we can say that if A dot B equal to A into B, magnitude A into B, then both vectors will be parallel. Now, second situation is if vector A perpendicular vector B, then what will be happen? Then theta will be equal to pi by 2, that means 90 degree. Therefore, A dot B equal to AB cos of 90 degree, and as you know that cos of 90 is 0, 0 into a into b equal to, this will be 0. That means vector a dot vector b equal to 0. That means if scalar product of two vectors equal to 0, then we can say that both vector will be perpendicular. Or if vice versa, if vector a and vector b are perpendicular, then dot product of both vectors will be 0. From this formula, we can find what is the angle between both vectors. That means from here we can find theta equal to, cos of theta equal to vector a dot vector b whole upon magnitude a magnitude b, or vector a dot vector b upon magnitude a magnitude b. This is the cos theta, and theta will be cos of inverse a dot b whole upon ab. This is the formula for finding angle between two vectors. Now we will study what is the properties of scalar product. Properties of scalar product. Property of scalar product. If vector A and vector B are two vectors, then first property is vector A dot vector A, this will be converted into magnitude of vector A square, or simply A square. Second, if vector A into minus vector A, then this will be minus vector A, magnitude of A into magnitude of A equal to minus A square. Now we will discuss about scalar product of unit vector of axis. Scalar product of unit vectors of axis, axis, that is I cap, j cap and k cap. What will be product of a scalar product of I j k? I dot I equal to j dot j equal to k dot k. This will be equal to 1. Means scalar product of same unit vectors I dot I cap equal to j cap dot j cap equal to k cap dot k cap is equal to 1, and I dot j cap equal to j dot k cap equal to k dot I cap. This will be always 0. That means scalar product of different type of unit vectors is always 0. For remember, we make a table. This is the dot product, and this is I, j and k, and this is also I cap, j cap and k cap. Now we make table like this, and I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j is equal to 1, k dot k is equal to 1, and I dot j, this is the 0, I dot k, this is the 0, j dot I, this is the 0, j dot k, this is the 0, k dot I, this is the 0, k dot j, this is the 0. Now you can see here a scalar product of same unit vectors is always 1 1, denoted by denoted on the angle elements, and left remaining element will be 0, which is the product of different type of unit vectors. Now in the next video we will discuss about projection.